That's it.
Yeah, that is it. That is it.
Tornado.
Connor, let's go for a bit, all right? Tornado. No. We're going. Okay, that's tornado.
That's it.
That is it. That is the tornado. On that page.
Get ready, get back, get back.
Tornado, man.
There it is. They've recorded this shit. You got it on record.
Witness, he's filming it. We're filming it. The tornado, man. Man. Wow. Oh, man. Oh, man, Tom.
This is awesome.
Oh, man, Tom.
Oh, no.
Get in there.
Get back.
Stay in there.
There it is. It's coming over the hill. Mom, do we need to jump in the car? Yeah, jump in the car. We need to run. All right. Well, jump.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, go. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Mom, get out.
Get the dog, please.
Okay, fuck the dog. Jump in the car. Jump, Mom. Let's go. Go, go, go. Jump in. Go.
Come on. Get in there.
Go.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
I'm gonna tell
Go.
you.
Get this. Get it.
Run. Ready. Roll, 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 roll. Go. Fuck these cars, Dad. Go. Go. Speed.
Wait.
No, you can go backwards.
Stay there.
Backwards.
Stay right there.
Run this way.
Come on, stay right there, man. I got one kid.
Shit, back up, back up, back up.
Hey, Tommy.
Back up.
Hey, go. Wait.
Back up.
Oh, get going. Come. Take it this way.
Back up. Shit. There it is. Tornado. It disappeared. Woo! That's what I'm talking about, baby. Woo! Look, tornado way over there. It hit that lake. It hit our lake over there. Man, that was scary as fuck.
En hy kom vir ons afgespreek is voor net ons. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Ek is naar. Ek wil ons maak dit by hierdie ding lyk. Asof hy iets gaan gooi in ons kar en vas.
Liefling, relax. Jy voel nog nie as die wind jou buffet nie. Ons is ver genoeg dat sy wind ons nie eens affekteer nie.
Ek is so overwhelmed.
Ek kan so is ja. Ek kom maar gelê, maar ek wil weer. Ja, so daar's nou oor die pad.
Oh. Wat is die drie wat hy het?
Ek sien, ek gooi baie.
Oh shit.
Ek gaan deur daai ou se skuur.
Oh my soul. Kyk hy wind.
Ja,
Het jy daai sparks gesien daar?
terugdrade.
Dis weg.
Ek het dit gesien.
Okay. Ek dink hy is net bly dit kom.
Ek is besig om te ry.
Okay. gedeelte wat se naam gee vir jou.
Into this building. It collapsed on this car. Luckily, no one was inside. But after surveying this damage, it's really amazing that only one person died.
It is swollen. Look at the top of it. What? Turn around. No! Turn around!
As the sun set, the thunderheads grew and tornadoes began dropping from the sky across Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri.
Oh! Damn, it's coming at us!
James and Michelle Laidler were caught on open highway and sped to evade the approaching tornado. Michelle videotaped their escape with her cell phone.
It's coming right at us, Jim. Please don't wreck us. Please.
That tornado did this. Ripped a swath through the center of tiny Quapaw, killing one person and sending 5 more to the hospital.
It starts raining so hard that I couldn't see to drive, so I pulled over to stop. Well, I did stop, and after I'd been stopped about 30 seconds, then a gust of wind hit me, and that was the results of it.
Rescue workers searched through the night for more victims, but found none. Even the fire station was damaged. The chief grateful his men survived.
They're like family to me, the guys that I serve, serve with. So you never know. It's kind of a eerie feeling.
When the same twister crossed into Kansas, it was estimated to be 3 blocks wide, destroying and damaging about 100 homes and businesses, injuring 25. We've seen a lot worse in this area in Quapaw, Oklahoma. And they're already picking up the pieces, George.
Okay, Mike, thanks very much. And now you've got the other big story of the morning.
Yeah, I do, George. Absolute outing.
Residents are picking through the rubble of their homes near Tulsa, Oklahoma today. A tornado tore through Broken Arrow Thursday, destroying a number of houses and ripping the roofs off of businesses. Power lines are down, but no serious injuries are reported. A storm chaser caught the massive funnel cloud on camera as it rolled into town.
Get underground!
It took many residents by surprise.
I got out of the gym and looked up in the sky and went, oh no, because I could see rotation. Immediately got on the phone and called my wife.
Forecasters say more severe weather is likely to hit the heartland today.
The biggest threat is where you see the red shading, and that once again is over Oklahoma City, Tulsa, all the way up to Joplin. And by the way, there's going to be significant flooding today in the Mississippi Valley.
In Iowa City, floodwaters have already forced at least 18 families from their homes. The Iowa River is still rising, and residents are bracing for a wet weekend. Susan McGinnis, CBS News, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma.
A relatively mild spring tornado season until now. A violent, deadly outbreak of storms across several states being blamed for at least 17 deaths. That death toll has now gone up, 17 deaths, and leaving a trail of destruction across the nation's midsection.
At least 16 deaths are being reported from a tornado that struck central Arkansas.
Right.
Arkansas, the hardest hit area. Damage is said to be severe in the towns of Mayflower and Valonia. That's just outside Little Rock. The mayor of Valonia spoke to CNN about what it looks like on the ground there.
There were people everywhere bandaged and bloody, certain people trying to help them. They set up a triage center just across from City Hall at the old bread store. We're just trying to do a search and rescue and see how many people we do have injured, and try to help those first, and wait till the sun comes up in the morning to see how bad the damage is.
Also, a tornado touching down in northeast Oklahoma blamed for at least one death in the small town of Quapaw that is near the border of Kansas and Missouri. Police say about half the town suffered extensive damage. Emergency officials are conducting search and rescue operations at this moment.
A tragic end to a tornado disaster in North Carolina. 11-month-old Gavin Soto has died for injuries that he suffered on Friday. A tornado there ripped the roof off the family's house. It came crashing down inside. Multiple tornadoes destroyed hundreds of homes in North Carolina.
People in parts of Kansas also cleaning up this morning from tornado damage. You could see funnel clouds. Look at that, hanging over the town of Baxter Springs, Kansas. Officials report significant damage there as well. Dozens of homes and businesses also destroyed.
Just a few minutes ago, President Obama, speaking from the Philippines, which is the final stop on his Asia trip, he reassured the victims of the violent and deadly storms that they're not alone. At a news conference earlier this hour, the president said, quote, "Your country will be there to help you recover and rebuild."